working building, all we need to do is make a duplicate of the geometry and make a new material for the body only of the new building. Open with the outliner open, select the P-Cube1 object and rename it in the outliner to Building 01. To quickly duplicate, press Ctrl or Command D. Alternatively, the duplicate options are available in the Edit menu. Duplicate Special allows an instance to be created, but for what we need, a straight copy is perfect. We need to hide Building 01. To hide a Maya, use Ctrl H, and we can use Shift H on both platforms to unhide. So that's Ctrl H to hide, and as you can see in the outliner, the hidden object is grayed out. We just need to save our progress, so File, Save Scene, and in our Scenes folder, let's just call this city_build and save as, and there we go. Now that we've saved, let's look at another way to add a new material. To do this, let's open the Hypershade, which is Maya's closest equivalent to the Material Manager in Cinema 4D. We can access the Hypershade panel by pressing on the small green circle at the top of the Maya interface, or by selecting Windows, Rendering Editors, Hypershade. Here we can see the materials that have been created along with the Lambert 1 material and Particle Cloud 1 default materials. Selecting the Building 01 base Lambert material and duplicate it by again pressing Ctrl D. And here we have a new material called Building 01_base Lambert 1. Let's rename this to Building 02 base, and let's change the color to a darker gray. Color saturation, and select the Buildings 01 Windows Phone material and right click on it and choose Select Objects with Material. This selects the faces on the building that have the building material on them. In the main Select menu of Maya's, we can either select Inverse or Command Shift I, and this selects the faces on the building that have the building material 01 applied on them. We can quickly apply the Building 02 base material to the selected faces. Close the Hypershade window. Here we go. Right click and assign existing material Building 02 base. So switch back to object mode. Select Building 02 and hide it by using Ctrl H. Select Building 01 and press Shift H to make sure that it still has its original materials. With Building 01 selected, hide it as well. Again using Ctrl H.